so many of our pets, and dogs and cats both, that have knee problems. It's really common in orthopedics to have
Yeah.
knee problems, whether it's patella luxation or cruciate, needing cruciate surgery. And it's an area where we can make a lot of difference in veterinary medicine to improve the quality of life of animals. There are a lot of good pieces of equipment out there in the market these days for veterinarians. And I think having a wire driver, especially when it comes to patella surgery, and being able to place a wire with a motorized instrument rather than an old Jacobs chuck just makes it so much more secure and stable, and gives much better results. And I'm glad they're a lot more available and cheaper these days for general practitioners too. We've got a lot more research on how to repair patellas in dogs and cats, and so there's a lot of good data that's coming out to teach us the proper way to do things, whether it's block recession over wedge recession. Things like that can really help our patients based on the literature that's coming out.